Sing for the holiday, the happy holiday. Sing for the holiday.
Good morning, beautiful people. Buenos dias. Today we are going. I can't do anything with you. We have to go to Target, Home Goods, and IKEA. We don't have a fire pit and a dining table, so we need to go find one. Okay. I don't like going to the stores and I don't like buying stuff, but for some reason I'm really excited to go shopping today. I think because I've been going to therapy and it's been helping a lot with like not having that like scarcity mentality around money. So this is, of course have your limits, but this is the first time I'm excited to really go shopping. So let's not make this an everyday thing, right? Okay. You're ready to go? Shaking? Why are you shaking? It was good. Excuse me.
He's like, it don't matter where you're going, I am going.
Fluffy, you are going with us. Don't panic.
So we are leaving, Fluffy? Ooh.
Oh, we're not leaving you. He grabbed his little harness.
Listen, cut.
He said, no, honey. Your dad's gonna burn the kitchen.
Gotta be lit.
Please don't burn the kitchen. Oh, you're so cute. Don't chew it. I'll put it on. Alvin made breakfast. It's a bagel breakfast sandwich with hash brown. Thank you.
Of course.
And look at, does anyone's dog also like decide to go on their clean clothes and just lay there? Okay, Fluffy's outfit. An ugly ripped, what is it called? Harness. Alvin has his 368 451 Nikes.
I'm done. They're Vans.
Wait, no. Wait, what are they? Okay, I'm serious.
They're Vans.
I don't know what you're wearing.
They're Vans.
Can you tell us what your shoes you're wearing?
No, I can't.
Where's your...
They were nice.
Huh?
I bought them because they were nice.
Oh, you really don't know?
No.
Okay, how about the beanie?
They're Vans.
Oh, I'm sorry, you were off the middle. The beanie's Vans, the shirt is...
PacSun.
And the pants?
Also PacSun.
Nice.
Vans, PacSun, PacSun, Vans.
So if you guys want to sponsor him.
Please don't.
You're not gonna do mine? Wow! Okay.
All right, we got the cowgirl boots.
Forever 21, because it's fall season. I have, what is this?
Mom jeans.
Cotton on. Forever 21. Wow, Forever 21 Cotton on.
So much fast fashion on you.
That was my past self. Don't do that anymore. No, Cotton on's not fast fashion. It's cotton. And they donate. I don't know. Fluffy's in there. Fluffy will stay in the car because he's so afraid that we're gonna leave him, even if we're not even in the car yet. I'm gonna recycle my bags today at Target. This is a lot, but Target has a recycling bin. Fluffy! This is pretty cool.
I came with the rain and everything.
Yeah. Like, it's like perfect for my height. I feel like this one is better, but they don't have a lighter color. Okay, so this chair is better because it has so much support
For the big boy.
for the big boys. I really like this one, but it's out of stock. We would change the chairs to like something different. This is nice. Decided to buy all of these. So instead of like 2 dining tables, one outside and one inside, we're gonna do an island, right?
Yeah.
And we might change these to like another color like this.
Ah, they cut me in half.
Oh, there's your other half. Where am I? On my forehead.
Yeesh. From my vantage point, it's just your head.
I'm going to go through the door that was meant for me. I just found the prettiest tile for our restroom.
No, you didn't.
Please, look at it. Yo. It kind of looks like we're inside a pool, but we're not really in a pool.
No.
They have a Black Santa. How cool is that? Or he could be Afro-Latino. So right now we're trying to figure out what fire pit we want, because apparently there are choices. We're not sure if we want a circle or a square,
No, we're pretty sure we want
but I think we want a circle. And we're also looking for Christmas trees. Watch someone walk by and be like, what the hell is she doing?
Yeah, this was too tall.
This one is nice because it's not like, it doesn't have all those leaves. Like it's skinny. Looking at it now though, it looks sad. So which one do you want? There's this one? Let's do it, baby.
Should we just take it?
Just grab it and take it. I think they come in boxes and then you just... Shit!
Watch out, man at work.
Ew. Fluffy's so confused. Let's go, Fluffy. If you want a Christmas tree, come to Lowe's.
We have brownies.
We're about to do something that's so illegal.
Let's do top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning. Where are you going?
I don't know.
Turn right.
Let's go. Let's go. He hated it.
Weirdos.
Okay, so it's been a crazy day. We've gone to so many stores and there's the Christmas tree, there's Fluffy. I'm gonna tell you guys the story of what happened at Target. So we went to Target and it's still happening right now, but I got a cough attack. Like I was crying, like right now it tickles. Oh my gosh. Why does it tickle? It's like this feeling like itchiness. And I was coughing and coughing, and Alvin went to go buy some water and some gum to help. And I was just crouching in the bathroom section, just like crouching, crying, and coughing. So that's what happened at Target. But we walked in with Fluffy, and I don't think Target allows dogs, not even emotional support dogs. So I walked in with Fluffy, and they didn't say anything. We made it in Target with Fluffy. Thank you, Target. But we were able to shop. We were able to find some stuff for the other guest restroom, and now we came to, it's Ashley's Homestore. I thought it was like Ashley's furniture. We actually found two bar stools for the oh my We found 2 bar stools for what is it called? The island. We found 2 bar stools for the island that we showed you at IKEA. We're actually gonna buy it, but we have to go back and dump all this out. You see, it's coming back. But I walked out of the store because I was coughing, like not a lot, but the dude that was helping us came, and I'm like, I'm not gonna cough in front of him. He's gonna think I have COVID or something. I don't want to do this to people. So I came to the car. So I came to the car with Fluffy, and now we're here. So yeah, today was like a long shopping day, but we got our Christmas tree, and we're gonna get a couple more things, so that's exciting. But yeah, we still need to eat. We still need to eat, and it's almost Fluffy's feeding time. He's honestly, you've been a good puppy. You've been a good puppy. I'm so proud of you.
I looked at the bank account today and I was like,
I'm getting a little. You know what? No. How do you deal with this feeling? Like, how do you not feel bad?
I'll tell you how. You understand that you worked really hard for this,
Okay.
right? And you've paid your dues, and it's time to take care of yourself. Simple as that.
Do you need help?
No.
We bought him a cute PJ set at Target. Then he's not a small, he's a medium. Wow, so handsome.
What happened?
Look at those thighs.
Are you sure you got the right hole?
I think so. Oh, the opposite way. Fluffy, I'm so sorry.
Oh my gosh, bro. Why does he show so much? Bro.
Oh my god.
Bro.
Fluffy, you look bootylicious. Wait, where's his tail go then? Why does his look different?
You had it right the first time. I don't know why.
See, I hope to.